Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, I'm going to share an easy way to roast pumpkin seeds. You've either already carved your pumpkins and have a pile of pumpkin seeds waiting to be roasted, or you have some pumpkins that you might just need to carve to get those seeds out. Separating the seeds and the guts is probably the most time-consuming part of this recipe. And before we get started, if you're new to my channel, I love cooking and gardening, so if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Now back to these delicious roasted pumpkin seeds. So now that you've separated the guts and the seeds, you'll want to rinse them through a strainer and put them in a bowl, and you'll want to let them soak for a day with salt. So just sprinkle in some salt and mix them around. Fast forward to the next day and you'll want to rinse your seeds. Make sure every little piece of those guts are gone and get them ready to add to the sheet pan. You'll want to line your sheet pan with tin foil. That will make it an easy cleanup. My kiddos were begging me to make these seeds, so I had to make one batch on Halloween. So you'll need olive oil, salt and pepper. Just add the pumpkin seeds, spread them out evenly on the sheet pan. And once you've added enough, drizzle them with olive oil. Toss them, make sure every seed is coated, and then evenly space them out again. And you will be sprinkling on some salt and pepper. And if you haven't already, your oven should be preheated to 350 degrees. And these seeds are ready for the oven. You will be cooking them again at 350 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes or so. Don't these look delicious? These are done. You'll want to touch them and you'll notice that the water is gone. They will be hard, not wet. You don't want wet seeds because when you put them away, it will be a mess. They just need to cook a little bit longer. Now, I found it was a little hard to get these off of this tin foil, but if you kind of just break it off, you can use a spatula. Kind of just move the tin foil around and they'll pop off. And that's it. That is how you roast pumpkin seeds. So simple, and they are so good. See how crunchy they are? So delicious. I remember my mom roasting pumpkin seeds, maybe even my dad, but I just have fond memories around Halloween and always saving the seeds to roast them. And I continue doing that with my kids. I had these seeds out for Halloween so we could snack on them. But if you've made a couple batches, you'll want to put them in a Tupperware container or a Ziploc bag. And they should store for a couple weeks, maybe even a little longer if you don't eat them all. I hope you guys enjoy these roasted pumpkin seeds. I hope you can make them for your family. And thanks again for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. More recipes on cityfoodiefarm.com. And until next time, happy cooking.